Hello again, welcome to my channel. I'm Briggs Anunobi, your luxury home real estate expert. Now, if you're new to my channel, I tour gorgeous and beautiful homes throughout the country. We are here in southern Utah for my coverage of the St. George area parade of homes, and we've seen some mind-blowing properties. Be sure to go back on my channel and check out the Parade of Homes playlist so you can catch up on all of these amazing tours. Now for today's tour, we are in the exclusive 24-hour guard-gated community called Stone Cliff to check out this beautiful new construction home built by Anderson Custom Homes. As you can see, this is a single-level house, flat roof design, ultra-modern, really cool amenities throughout. This house has 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, an 8-car garage, and is priced at just over $6 million. And guys, be sure to like and subscribe. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. Right this way. Step into luxury through this super modern glass window wall and glass door front entry of this beautiful home. As you enter, you're greeted by a wide open foyer that leads you into this grand and luxurious family area that's designed to perfection. Just take a look. The vibe in this area is unmatched. Check out the stylish features like this custom bookshelf area on either side. And then you have this open fireplace as a statement piece for the entire space. And I love how this area seamlessly flows into the outdoor area through this Fleetwood doors. Now it's time to entertain. Let's check it out. Now heading back inside, I can't say enough about this gorgeous kitchen. Loving everything from the pendant lights to the double islands. The designs here are immaculate, and this is one of my favorite kitchens from the parade tours. Check out the beautiful cabinetry details. I'm loving the built-in refrigerator and freezer, and of course, your double ovens are a must-have. But then they take it a step further with the double microwaves inside the butler's pantry. Beautiful cabinets throughout. I love the sink area over here, and then it leads you into the regular pantry with extensive storage spaces. This dining space is, again, ultra luxurious. Loving the views that you get from this space with this window wall. Wow. And this built-in wine bar is a cool feature as well. Alright guys, let's check out the final areas that are on this wing of the house. Let's start with this office here. Beautiful private office that does double as a bedroom as well. Let's take a look. Now, let's check out the primary bedroom suite. Right this way. guys can see, this was a live tour during the parade, and this was actually one of the more busier homes, so please try to focus on the house details and not the people. All right, guys, let's head over to the other wing of this home, right this way. Alright guys, that does it for the tour of house number 3 called The Gathering by Anderson Custom Homes. Let me know what you guys think about this house in the comments below. Also stay tuned to the channel. I only have a few more homes from the St. George Parade of Homes to upload. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Remember to show love, kindness, and mercy to everyone that you know. God bless you, and I'll see you guys on the next property tour. Peace.